This is a brainstorming and outlining tutorial for paragraph writing. The topic of your paragraph is technology. So what do we do first? We are going to brainstorm. And it starts with answering these questions. So ask yourself these questions and answer them. You can see a list. You can start with something general and then come to something more specific. There is no need for sentences, only ideas. Again, gather general ideas, but then zoom in and get to specific examples. For instance, there is a list right here. 21st century, that's quite general, but then we also have some specific, brand new, the latest technology. And again, even more specifically, smartphones, apps, and finally there's Instagram. We have to say who. We can't just say people or most people. Let's find a group. American people, within American people, teenagers or young adults. And ideas that we don't need to use anymore, we can just cross out. Why? Entertainment for fun or share experience. And later on, what we don't need, we can just cross out. So there we go. These are the ideas that we're going to use. Now that we have them, let's go ahead and focus on the following structure. So this is the paragraph structure. First, the topic sentence. It's one sentence, and it's the introduction of the topic and your focus. So what are you focusing on? Then provide support, supporting sentences, specific examples. Use the ideas from this list. You don't have to use everything. Use the relevant ideas. It should be between 3 to 8 sentences. And then you have to wrap up the paragraph, add the concluding thought. That's just one sentence. That's your conclusion. Now let me give you an example. Actually, 2 examples of a topic sentence. One can be this. One of the most popular smartphone applications that American teens use to stay connected with each other is Instagram. Or here's another version of the same idea. A lot of American teenagers use a popular smartphone app called Instagram to connect with their friends. So the topic is Instagram, and the focus is it's a popular app and it's young people. The support, of course, you're going to use from the list above. So again, let's go back to the list. This is the support. So you are going to write that in the middle of the paragraph. Explain the topic sentence by writing sentences based on those answers. Organize them well. Use transitions as you move from one thought to another. Finish your thoughts or ideas or examples so that your readers can really understand what you mean. Stay on topic. Do not start discussing anything else. And then, of course, there's the conclusion that we need, and I just gave you one example here. Parents need to make sure that their children do not post pictures that can cause problems. So that could be a warning as your concluding thought. And finally, you just have to remember that brainstorming itself should take 3 to 5 minutes per paragraph as you're listing ideas. Composing the sentences, 10 to 15 minutes. Organizing the sentences should take you another 3 to 5 minutes. This is when you move thoughts, ideas, examples around so that they are listed in a logical order. And the editing and the proofreading, the paragraph, should take you another 5 minutes. And this is when you check spelling using a spell checker. Grammar or sentence structures, making sure there's a variety. Verb tenses, making sure they are correct, and vocabulary, making sure you didn't repeat the keywords more than twice in the paragraph. And now you're done.